This is the weather forecast video for Monday, January 30th, 2012. Let's take a look at the satellite image from last evening. You can see some high-level cloudiness and mid-level cloudiness across the plains and into the upper Midwest, with a warm front moving through the area, and some cloudiness with some rain showers and mountain snow over the northwest. Watch warning map from just before midnight. Some winter weather advisories over New England, over the northern Rockies. Otherwise, it's pretty quiet across the country with little, if any, excitement. QPF chart, precipitation over the next 5 days through Friday evening at 6 o'clock. Shows some decent amounts of precip from Texas northeastward into New England and across the northern Rockies and the Pacific Northwest. Let's take a look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. This is at 6 p.m. this evening. You'll see a zonal flow from west to east, pretty flat, meaning Pacific air coming in from the west, and also means warmer weather with south to southwesterly winds, temperatures into the 40s in the north, 50s to maybe even low 60s across the southwestern counties of the state, all dependent on if you have snow. And it also will be the case Tuesday. Frontal system come through late in the afternoon, bring a few showers, sprinkles, and it will be in the form of rain because it'll still be fairly warm, 40s and 50s across the state. Unfortunately for Wednesday, it will not be in the 40s and 50s. It'll be in the 30s to maybe lower 40s, dependent on snow cover, with the rain showers to the south and east of the state. On Thursday, a bit of a system coming in over the Rockies and the high plains, but we'll still have temperatures in the 30s to around 40. On Friday, a system that was in the Colorado Rockies moves into the central plains, and a little bit of a storm develops that could bring a few rain or snow showers across Nebraska, Kansas that may skirt the state Friday into early Saturday, but most of the precipitation will remain south of the state here on Saturday as it moves through Missouri, Illinois, and then southward into the deep south. It'll still remain cool with highs in the 30s to around 40. Heading into Sunday, be a skosh warmer, a degree or two warmer, back into 30s to lower 40s, and it's all dependent again on the amount of snow you have on the ground. A week from today, on the 6th of February, peace energy along the U.S.-Canadian border, another over the Gulf Coast. Otherwise, it's pretty zonal once again, with a ridge developing over western Canada, and pretty dry across the country outside of New England, some lake effect snow over the eastern lakes, and some rain over far south Florida. Further into the month, here's February the 10th. A bit of a trough, a broad trough from the plains eastward, and a bit of a ridge that extends all the way up into western Canada and Alaska, and that's going to possibly bring some cooler Canadian air down that bring more seasonal readings for early to mid-February with 30s across the state. And at the end of the forecast on Valentine's Day, February the 14th, still looking a little zonal, ridge over the far west with a trough axis over the west coast, and some rain over the southeast, some lake effect snow over the lakes, and some rain and mountain snow over the northwest. So a little bit active and maybe a little bit cooler by then. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.